Portage, Keniputu Sound, Marlborough Sounds. A busy ramp during the summer months, the Portage Boat Ramp is a concrete ramp into a pebbly beach. It gives great access into Keniputu Sound and perilous sound for blue cod, gurnard, snapper and kingfish. There are also lots of coves and lodges to break for lunch during the summer season. It is best to launch 2 hours either side of high tide. This ramp is owned and maintained by the Keniputu Sound Residents Association, and there is a donation box next to the ramp. There is trailer parking available for 5 to 8 trailers. This ramp is located alongside the Portage Hotel, which has accommodation, restaurant and toilets. There is boat storage available up the road. The wharf is currently being refurbished. At the time of print, there is still space to bring the boat alongside and board the boat. There is a small shop at Te Mahia Bay, 30 minutes from Portage. The nearest location for fuel is at Linkwater.